Uh, so yeah, I have been working in the software industry for about 7 years now as a software engineer, and this program of being a Scrum Master is helping me a lot in connecting with the team, understanding the different dynamics that are involved with managing the team, and as well as how to be a servant leader um, to my team as well. And yeah, I have been really enjoying the program a lot and learning a lot from my teammates as well as the instructors, and hoping to be transitioning from a software engineer to a Scrum Master role, and helping myself in doing a role that I would really love and enjoy. And that's why I have been taking this program with Agility Academy. And yeah, I hope we learn a lot, and I hope for the best. Thank you.